See, black people let their feelings take over, and their feelings are the cause of our destruction over and over again, because it makes us feel bad to have to face the truth, when the truth is the only thing that ever helped anybody to get out of a hole. If I'm at the bottom of a well, I'm not going to sit there and say I'm in paradise, because now I have really lost it, and I am insulting my Creator, because I have to recognize I'm in bad shape. I am in terrible shape. Now, everybody who's going out for football understands this. We can understand it when we're going out for football, but when it comes to anything else, we don't understand it at all. I mean, you don't walk out on a field and just say, I'm an NFL quality football player, and this is the first time you've ever even seen a football field. It doesn't work like that. That coach will tell you, you're in bad shape. You're way overweight. You haven't lifted any weights. You haven't done any work at all to prepare yourself for the NFL. I'm not hiring you. I don't want you on my team. And you come out here and play football. I mean, we got the Super Bowl coming up, and I just take you off the street, and you've never even been to a game. Now, any owner or coach that would want somebody like that on the football field, Super Bowl day, just let the mathematics tell you. Is that going to work? You can't even call a signal. But you come on the field saying everybody else is stupid. And I'm not talking about the caller. I'm not making an analogy there. I'm just saying, I used to think that way. But that's not logical thinking, because I was letting my emotions say, these people ain't all that great. But then I had to ask a very logical question. Well, if they ain't all that great, why is it that when they say, Fuller, you pick up that gun and shoot somebody, you come and beg me for a job, you go to this school or that school, but don't go to that school there and that school there. Don't you dare go into that restaurant, or I will hurt you. And I say, yes, sir. No, ma'am. And I was doing that. Now, is that by magic? You know? I say, are these people dumb? Are they stupid? And I had to come to the conclusion, well, I don't know what you mean by stupid. I don't know what you mean by dumb. But I do know that they tell me what to do, and I do it.